A woman pulls her hair into a ponytail. Her left arm ends in a stump.
There's a dominant narrative around disability as this person is not able to do a certain thing, so blah, blah, blah. But I like to kind of spin it on its head and look at disability and limb difference as this person has a really unique way of existing in the world.
She plays a ukulele.
My name is Alexis, and I'm the creator of Stump Kitchen.
Alexis walks through a grocery store.
A handful of years ago, I had been diagnosed with a gluten intolerance, and I had just decided to go vegan. So I had to learn how to cook for myself. I realized that just automatically I was using my stump as a kitchen tool. I was using it as a garlic masher, as a lemon juicer, as a batter scraper spatula. And my partner Allison was like, "You cook really cool with that. Like, you should film that." And that's how I decided to film the first episode of Stump Kitchen. Welcome to Stump Kitchen. It's so great to have you here. We are gonna make carrot cake. One bowl, gluten-free, vegan, delicious, stumptastic carrot cake.
She adjusts a camera on a tripod.
I became a YouTuber from watching YouTube itself. I learned how to frame a shot, how to edit, how to upload.
She dances in a video.
Watching the footage from the first episode, I could not believe how much joy I was experiencing while I was cooking. I get dirty, I drop stuff, I swear like a sailor. I don't think I was wearing a bra. I thought if 30, 40, 50 people watch this, that would be incredible and hilarious.
Do you have your stuff? Check.
And then the comments started to come in and people were saying, "I want to cook now because you make it look so easy and so fun," or "My kid has an arm like you and we tried your stump spatula technique."
Stump up.
She and another woman bump stumps.
It was just a neat way to find community.
Alexis bathes a baby in a tub.
And since I've had my baby, I've had messages from other people who have a disability who didn't think that they could have kids because of what the world's told them about what they can or can't do. And, seeing me being with my baby has let them realize that they can do that too.
Alexis smiles in a Google Meet video titled Pizza Making.
I've been asked to do so many cool things just from my channel. Hello. Whether it's workshops, cooking classes, speaking gigs.
1,
She holds pizza dough.
3, throw it in the air.
It's so awesome.
Yum.
She puts a tray in an oven.
In the kitchen, I am free, I'm creative, I have fun. I don't feel bogged down by any kind of societal expectation. I'm just who I'm meant to be.
Words appear, helping disabled people to pursue their passions, to enrich the world for everyone. The Google letters appear in Braille, then in hand signs. Logo, Google.